She's under construction a bit, but that's okay. Dutch windmill. Have a seat. Nice. Look at how many freaking fur coats. Are you joking? How many fur coats can one find?
So well, she's growing tall and fine.
Oh, stomach.
She's got my back. Down every street, no matter.
I wish my arm was longer. Whoa! Just done. Oh, stop it.